Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen, and today I'm going to show you how to link Xbox account to Epic Games account. So guys, if you have an Xbox account that you want to link into the Epic Games, first just simply go for the epicgames.com, and this will be their homepage as you can see over here. I will put the link in the description as well. And now from here, go for the sign in on the top right corner of the screen. And now just simply sign in into your Epic Games account first, and you will have here multiple application or social media platforms that you can continue with an account, or just simply sign in with your email over here. Now guys, once you are signed in into an Epic Games account, you could just simply select your profile icon in the top right corner over here, and now a pop-up window will show up, or a drop-down tab, and just simply select account over here. And now after that, you could just simply go ahead and go for the link accounts over here on the left side of the screen. So just simply select link accounts, and should be able to see here multiple accounts that you could link your account to. So from here, you will have Xbox. So just simply select Xbox over here and select link. And after that, it will prompt you if this is your Epic Games email. So make sure this is your Epic Games email and just simply select connect account. From here, you can just simply get a code to sign in. So from here, just simply select send a code. And now guys, just simply go to your email, and from here you will have the code. So just simply provide the code over here. And now from here, it will ask you to sign in with your face or fingerprint, and you can just simply select skip for now. And now from here, you could just simply select skip for now as well. So it is just recommending you if you want to sign in faster, but we don't need that for now. Now from here, it will ask you for permission and just simply select accept. And after that, once you have linked your account, you should be able to see here a link. And after that, just simply select done linking, and there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And guys, if you have any questions, comment down below. And if you want to unlink your Xbox account, you can unlink it as well over here. Thanks for watching.